Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix Siri does not responding on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this problem. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings, scroll it below, then tap on here Siri and search, and tap on listen for, and make sure that there is Hey Siri or Hi Siri is enabled. And after that go back and open your cellular data or Wi-Fi and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. And after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply shut down your iPhone for one time. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. For that you have to just simply open settings, scroll to below and tap on general, scroll to below, then here tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds. And after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then I'll suggest you to do reset Siri settings. So guys, simply reset Siri settings and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open setting, tap on general, scroll it below, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.